Let's check the news from AWS. AWS WAF now supports matching incoming requests against autonomous system numbers, providing an additional layer of security for web applications. This new feature enables you to monitor and restrict traffic from specific ASNs, mitigating risks associated with malicious actors, complying with regulatory requirements, and optimizing the performance and availability of your web applications. AWS Invoice Summary API is now generally available, allowing users to retrieve invoice summary details programmatically via SDK. This feature enables the retrieval of multiple invoice summary details by making a single API call that accepts input parameters such as AWS Account ID, AWS Invoice ID, billing period, or date range. The output of the Invoice Summary API includes data elements like invoice amount in base currency and tax currency, purchase order number, and other metadata. This information can be utilized to integrate the API with accounts payable systems, automating invoice processing and improving efficiency. AWS Invoice Summary API is available in all regions except for AWS GovCloud regions and China regions. Amazon Q Developer has introduced support for its agentic coding experience within JetBrains and Visual Studio IDEs. This feature enables developers to write, modify, and maintain code more efficiently by leveraging natural language understanding to seamlessly run complex workflows. The agentic coding experience provides intelligent task execution, allowing Q Developer to perform actions beyond code suggestions. For instance, it can read files, generate code diffs, and run command line tasks. To get started, users simply need to type in their prompt in their preferred spoken language. As the developer works through user tasks, it provides continuous status updates, instantly applying changes and feedback along the way. This allows developers to complete tasks seamlessly while improving and streamlining the development process. The agentic coding experience is now available in all AWS regions where Q Developer is supported, enabling developers to take advantage of this innovative feature regardless of their location. Amazon EC2 now enables you to automatically delete underlying Amazon EBS snapshots when deregistering Amazon machine images. This new feature allows for better management of storage costs and simplifies the AMI cleanup workflow. By deleting associated EBS snapshots at the time of AMI deregistration, users no longer have to separately delete these snapshots, which can lead to abandoned snapshots resulting in unnecessary storage costs and resource management overhead. Amazon RDS for MariaDB now supports Community MariaDB minor versions October 11, 13 and 1.4.7. This means that users can leverage these new minor versions to fix known security vulnerabilities in prior versions of MariaDB, as well as benefit from bug fixes, performance improvements, and new functionality added by the MariaDB community. To take advantage of these updates, users are recommended to upgrade their databases to more recent minor versions during scheduled maintenance windows. Additionally, Amazon RDS for MariaDB provides automatic minor version upgrades, which can simplify the process even further. For those who require a safer, simpler, and faster update experience, Amazon RDS for MariaDB also supports blue/green deployments for MariaDB instances. This feature allows users to perform updates with minimal downtime or disruption to their applications. Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus is now available in 7 additional AWS regions, providing customers with more flexibility to monitor their operational metrics at scale. This fully managed service makes it easy to monitor and alarm on operational metrics, allowing customers to focus on their business needs rather than managing Prometheus infrastructure. Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus supports a large number of active metrics, allowing customers to store and query vast amounts of data. A single workspace can hold up to 1 billion active metrics, and customers can create multiple workspaces per account to suit their specific needs. The additional regions where Amazon Managed Service for Prometheus is now available are important for customers in Africa and the Middle East, who can now take advantage of this fully managed service to monitor their operational metrics. Amazon Connect now supports external voice transfers in 5 additional AWS regions. This feature enables Amazon Connect to directly transfer voice calls and metadata to other voice systems without using the public telephone network. As a result, customers can leverage Amazon Connect telephony and interactive voice response with their existing voice systems to enhance customer experience and reduce costs. For instance, Amazon Connect external voice transfer allows for seamless integration with other voice systems, streamlining processes and improving overall efficiency. This feature is particularly useful for businesses that require a high degree of customization and control over their communication channels. In the new AWS regions where this feature is available, customers can take advantage of Amazon Connect's advanced telephony capabilities to deliver exceptional customer experiences. By leveraging external voice transfers, organizations can easily route calls to different systems or agents, ensuring that customers receive the support they need in a timely and effective manner. The availability of Amazon Connect external voice transfer in additional AWS regions marks an important milestone for businesses looking to modernize their communication infrastructure and improve customer satisfaction. Amazon EC2 instances accelerated by NVIDIA GPUs have seen two updates regarding pricing and usage models. Firstly, savings plans are now available for Amazon EC2 P6, B200 instances, which were previously only accessible through EC2 capacity blocks for ML. Furthermore, pricing has been reduced for certain instance types. Amazon EC2 P5 and P5N instances will see a reduction of up to 45% for instances running Amazon Linux, with slightly smaller reductions applying to instances running other operating systems. Additionally, Amazon EC2 P4D and P4DA instances will experience a decrease in pricing of up to 33%. To provide increased accessibility to these reduced pricing options, AWS is also making at-scale, on-demand capacity available for specific regions. This includes P4D in Europe regions, P4DA in US East region, P5 in South America regions, and P5N in Asia-Pacific regions. These pricing updates reflect AWS's commitment to making advanced GPU computing more accessible while passing cost savings directly to customers. Amazon Q Developer plugin for the Eclipse IDE is now generally available, enabling developers to leverage its power within their integrated development environment. With this launch, users can seamlessly execute complex workflows and utilize Amazon Q Developer's agentic coding experience. As a result of this integration, Amazon Q Developer can intelligently take actions on behalf of the developer, reading project files to build context, suggesting code diffs, and running shell commands. It provides continuous status updates, applying changes and feedback along the way, which helps streamline development workflows across the software development lifecycle. Amazon Q Developer's coding experience enables it to create code, generate unit tests, and perform code reviews significantly faster than before, allowing developers to focus on higher-level tasks. The plugin is available in all AWS regions where Amazon Q Developer is supported, making it easily accessible for a wide range of users. Amazon Managed Workflows for Apache Airflow is now available in the AWS Asia-Pacific region. This managed service allows users to leverage the familiar Apache Airflow platform for workflow orchestration, while enjoying improved scalability, availability, and security without the need for infrastructure management. Amazon MWAA offers a scalable and secure environment for Apache Airflow, enabling users to focus on their workflows rather than the underlying infrastructure. With Amazon MWAA's managed service, you can take advantage of the same features and functionality as Apache Airflow, but with the added benefits of AWS's reliability and security features. AWS has announced the opening of a new AWS Direct Connect location within the Chief Telecom HD data center near Taipei, Republic of China. This site offers dedicated connections with speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second and 100 gigabits per second, as well as MASEC encryption available. By connecting your network to AWS at this new location, you gain private, direct access to all public AWS regions, AWS GovCloud regions, and AWS local zones. This is the third AWS Direct Connect location within ROC. Amazon CloudWatch Logs Insights has launched query results summarization and OpenSearch PPL enhancements to accelerate log analysis. This new log summarizer generates a natural language summary of query results, providing users with clear and actionable insights. The summarization capability transforms complex query results into concise summaries that help quickly identify issues and gain insights from log data. Interpreting log entries can be time-consuming, but this feature condenses the information into a clear and understandable format. With CloudWatch Logs Insights, users can interactively search and analyze logs using Logs Insights Query Language, OpenSearch Service Piped Processing Language, and OpenSearch Service Structured Query Language. The new OpenSearch PPL commands and functions include join, subquery, fill null, expand, flatten, match, and JSON functions. These enhancements accelerate troubleshooting by enabling users to perform complex queries more efficiently. For example, subqueries can be used to find services with more than 20 errors in the last day, and then use the results of the inner query to get the average response times from a different log group. The Logs Summarizer is available in the US East region, while OpenSearch PPL query enhancements are available in regions where OpenSearch Service Direct Query is available. AWS Wicker announces a preview experience for files that empowers organizations to protect sensitive files by allowing network administrators to configure a view-only mode in the Security Groups section of the AWS Management Console for Wicker. This feature restricts users within these security groups to only viewing supported files, preventing them from downloading the files. This view-only mode is made possible through the configuration of a Security Groups section in the AWS Management Console, enabling administrators to govern file access and lower the risk of data loss. AWS HealthOmics now supports automatic detection of WDL workflow parameters, simplifying the creation process for customers. This capability allows AWS HealthOmics to automatically identify and extract required and optional parameters along with their descriptions directly from WDL workflow definitions. As a result, customers no longer need to manually create input parameter templates. This feature enables customers to onboard new WDL workflows more rapidly while retaining complete flexibility through optional customization. Organizations with extensive WDL workflow libraries can significantly reduce the time required to migrate or deploy new workflows. Despite this automation, customers still maintain full control by providing custom input parameter templates when needed to override the automatic interpolation. Amazon OpenSearch Serverless is now available in the Asia-Pacific and Asia-Pacific regions. This serverless deployment option for Amazon OpenSearch Service simplifies running search and analytics workloads without the complexities of infrastructure management. Amazon Q Developer CLI now supports Claude Sonnet 4, enabling developers to select specific Claude Sonnet models when performing tasks in the CLI. This allows for optimized everyday development tasks through enhanced coding and reasoning capabilities. Developers can choose from premium models, Claude Sonnet 4, Claude 3.7 Sonnet, and Claude 3.5 Sonnet, using the /model command, launch a new chat with a specific model using the qchat model command, or configure default model settings using the qsettingschat.defaultModel command. This added functionality provides greater control over development workflows and increased flexibility in model selection, allowing developers to refine specific use cases such as long-running development tasks. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more and hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and, if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.